Phew. Welcome back to today's model bench. Just going to do a quick one. I've got a request from all of you who know a little bit more about modelling than me. I'm very tired, as you probably would have seen in Aussie Modelers Live this morning if you watched it. I got gifted two Monogram 124 scale cars, both Fords from Jason. We understand why Jason sent me those, because he doesn't like Fords. But they're great kits. They're really nice old school Monogram kits. So I've been told. I don't know, because I know jack shit about cars and car kits anyway. But I'm going to start in the next day, tonight, maybe tomorrow, whenever, the 1929 Ford pickup. It's a great little kit. It's really, yeah, for a first car it's going to be good. But what I really want to know is, should I weather it so it's like an old car left out in the back of the boondocks somewhere, or should I have it like your granddad or your grandfather had it sitting in his garage for nearly 100 years? So 90 whatever years, I don't know how many. Excuse me. So, would you prefer to see one being weathered, so it's just like a rust bucket sitting out the back of bumfuck nowhere, or a fairly pristine pristine example of this car? So what it has got in it, there is a fair bit of chrome, or simulated chrome type stuff. So yeah, obviously that's going to be have to be weathered if it's going to be one of those old school ones. Let's get back in one set. So what I have got is, let's get my Outlaw Paints kit here, shitloads. I've got the rust colour set, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different rust colours. Not sure if Jason's been using these ones, probably sent them to me. But there's dark rust, you've got light rust, you've got shadow rust, and another rust. So there's 5 different rusts in there. So what I'd probably do with that, I'd do a coat of the black primer, and then I'd go into the actual colour of the actual car itself is going to be this Ferrari Rosso Angelo, which is or I should say, sorry, the Team X-Star Blue. So if you have a look at that one, yeah, the way it looks glittery, that's the way it actually looks. Or the red, that's also glittery. So please give me your advice. I will start doing this probably tonight. And should I use the electric painted black on the engine? Or what colour should I do the engine? So, fair few questions I want to answer from all you amazing people. So yeah, let me know. Anyway, this is the kit. So that's the inside of the. So you got the seat. So I'm probably going to paint that a dirty colour. If it's going to be left out in the boondocks, it's going to be dirty, but if it's pristine, it's going to be nice blue and white probably. And there's the actual the car itself all in there. So I'll paint all over my fingers now. So let me know, and yeah. So I'll do a playlist for this one, or I might just do one single video that goes for half an hour, 45 minutes. Just let me know what you think I should do. I'll just build a few of the bits over the next couple of days. So yeah. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see this build if you're going to give me some advice. Yeah. So yeah. I'll just say yeah again. Yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you all later.